kijana mmoja mzuri, mrefu sindani. Na mimi ni baluni najua.
Sasa hivi nimefall in love na soon nataka kuintroduce kwa love wangu.
Now folks, seems like 2023 has come through with blessings galore for Ringtone APOKO. Now why am I saying so? Now this dude has just come through and revealed that he is finally in love. You can imagine, Ringtone APOKO has finally fallen in love. With who? Now according to him, he came through and said that soon he will introduce the lady whom he has fallen in love with, and he revealed that it feels very nice to be loved or to fall in love. Anyways, here is what Ringtone APOKO came through and said. Enjoy.
Yeah, good afternoon. Nataka kuambia kwamba nimefurahi sana. Mazeni na fall in love. Na nashukuru Mungu kwa kunisaidia ku fall in love. Na feel smart. Iko yani love iko smart sana. Mazeni na fall in love na furahi. Sikujua mtu kama mimi anaweza ni fall in love. Lakini sasa hivi na fall in love na soon nataka kuintroduce kwa love wangu. Nimefall in love mazee, asante kwa kuniombea mpaka nika fall in love. Nimefall in love mazee, mbarikiwe.
I know, many will come through and say, yo, this is the same Ringtone APOKO we are used to, so this is not far from cloud chasing, which I don't dispute, because it's very hard to know if a person is used to chasing cloud. Sometimes it becomes difficult to judge whether they are being truthful or not, and so what we always say, except to just wait and see whether he will introduce the love of his life. If it is true, we're wishing them all the best, and if not, well, he'll have something to explain. Anyways, man, that is just good. Go ahead and tell us what you think down in the comment section. Do you think it is true he has fallen in love for real, or he's just copying? Then make sure you subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Instagram, habdiska.ke, and I'll see you guys in the next one.